As we've said throughout this course, formative assessment is for learning. Therefore, you have to use the data to design and redesign pathways and strategies for all students to reach their learning goals. Data should be reviewed often and decisions made quickly. Remember that decisions do not necessarily have to be made for the entire class. You may make student-specific decisions based on the data as well. The goal is to personalize and differentiate instruction as needed for each student. If you obtain data in the middle of a class, you do not need to wait until the next class period to make adjustments. Adapt right then and there if necessary. The value of many of the quick formative assessment strategies, such as the thumbs up, thumbs down, fist to 5, one-sentence summary, questioning, discussion, and many others, is that they can be used during the learning process, so you can make adjustments on the fly. There never seems to be enough instructional time, so why wait until the end of the class period to find out whether you need to make adjustments in your lesson plan for the next class? Just as many things in life can be ignored, so can data. It's a fact that we don't always like the data that we obtain, and sometimes there isn't enough data, but ignoring it isn't going to make things any better. According to Charles Babbage, the person who originated the concept of the programmable computer, errors using inadequate data are much less than those using no data at all. Data is often imperfect and incomplete, but don't let that push you to fly blind. Move forward with the data that you do have and make it a goal to improve data collection over time. Don't ignore data. Do something about it. We've covered a lot in this course. Seek out resources on collecting and using data to inform instruction, formative assessment practice, and personalizing instruction. There's a lot of information and professional development available, but don't be intimidated. Pick one topic to start with and consider working on this with a group of colleagues. Change isn't going to happen overnight, but there are many little things that you can incorporate into your teaching practice that don't take a lot of time to implement. Just keep working on it a little at a time and keep moving forward. After all, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time.